Did you make that pad thai that was in there?
No, I bought it.
Oh, so you didn't make it from scratch?
I did. I was just kidding. I just wanted to see what you was gonna say. It was good,
Yeah, it was good. How did you make it?
Man, I did a lot. So I like to make it fast.
Mm-hmm.
So this is not the way that I always make it, but I just made it like this just because I just want something fast, so it took me like 5 minutes. So I got some. Most people they use like the noodles that you buy from the store. I used the ramen noodles.
Mm-hmm.
So I got me some ramen noodles and I boiled my noodles for only maybe I think I boiled them for 101 seconds.
Okay.
Enough for them to get soft but not like soggy. And then I put some oil in a pan with some seasoning, and I had bought some orange teriyaki chicken sauce, and I put that in the pan with the oil and my noodles, and I had some mixed vegetables, and I put that in the pan too. That I had cut up from the garden down the street by myself. I picked those myself, and I put that all in a pot, and I stirred it up, and I cooked it, and I ate it. Yeah, it only took me 5 minutes to do it. I just love to cook. It just
5 minutes?
5 minutes, yes.
Wait, what seasonings did you use?
I just used, I used salt and pepper. I put some cayenne pepper. I put garlic salt, just a little bit of the garlic salt. I didn't need too much. I put just some other stuff that I don't really remember, but it was a good seasoning because my food is.
Okay. Do you have any more left?
Did you eat it all?
I ate a lot of it. I just wanted to know how you made it because it was really good.
Yeah, that's how I made it, but you can't make this recipe yourself because only I can make it like that and make it taste good. Nobody else can make it and make it taste good like me. Yeah.
So it's a secret.
It's a secret that can be told, but it can't be copied.
Okay. Noted.
Yeah.
Thank you
Do
for.
you want me to make you some more?
Yes. Thank you.